I'm going to write on the fridge. Ha 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 ha. There. Now let's look at the fridge that I wrote. And it said,
Pugadipota akopatungatopa.
okay, I'm a genius.
Portia Gibbons, what have you done to our parents' fridge?
I just wrote on the fridge.
Let me take a look at the fridge that you wrote.
Pugadipota akopatungatopa.
Oh. Portia Gibbons, how dare you wrote on the fridge? That's big. I'm telling your mom about this. Mom.
What is it, Richard Gibbons?
My sister, Portia Gibbons, wrote on the fridge.
Oh my God. She is so grounded. Thanks for telling me that, Richard Gibbons. Portia Gibbons. How dare you write on the fridge? You know that fridge is not for writing. That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded for 612 weeks. Go to your room now.
No 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 no.